Maritime Transport is the UK's largest container transport operator, and also have an arm in distribution as well. From a business point of view, it's really about efficiencies. Over the last few years, obviously we've gone through a fairly bleak economic times. We've been pressured due to those challenges to come up with innovative ideas and ways of driving efficiency throughout the business. So at Maritime we took a slightly unconventional approach in terms of the data. Rather than just having one piece of technology that sort of sits in its own little world and doesn't interact too much, we took the stance that we'd try and get the systems working and talking to one another. As well as the TMS, Microlise also talks to our payroll, personnel and tachograph providers to push the data from the vehicle to whatever source it needs to be.
The Microlise system allows us to analyse vehicle performance, and for us then we can actually decide which vehicle potentially to buy. It allows us to make sure we're specifying the right vehicle for the right activity. Idling was the kind of initial real win for the business. I think it started off initially, before Microlise was implemented, around 15% across all depots. We're able to reduce that down to 1.5%. So for us, that initial realisation and savings we made almost made the project cost neutral in the first year. Working with Microlise is brilliant. They've got the team in place, they've got the support department, and we speak to them on a daily basis. They know their product very well and they know how we use the product.
Haulage and logistics historically is a slightly old-fashioned industry, and I think the more you can do to move data around, the more you can do to integrate systems to talk to one another, is only going to offer efficiencies and improvements to that business, and I'm proud that we're doing that at Maritime and moving ourselves forward with technology and the data.